Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a guide on how to import the height map into the game Call to Arms Gates of Hell. The first thing you will need is your source data. In my case, it was the Czech Republic. So I found the site where they provide these data for free. In my case, I wanted accurate data, so I went for the LiDAR thing, point cloud, which also gets the buildings, which can be a problem later, but these data are more precise than normal data. So you will download it. In my case, I downloaded it in format .las, L-A-Z. Next thing, you will need a QGIS. So just find it on Google, click download, download the program, install it, and you will get the folder. Then you use the desktop thing. It will start something like this without a project, so you will go new project. First thing, you will go to view, toolbars, and you will turn on advanced digitizing toolbar. And then you go to processing and you turn on the toolbox. Then, since we have a point cloud, you will add a point cloud layer. In my case, it's these two files. You click add. Because I needed the area right on the border. Okay, because I needed that, I also need to merge these first. So you select these two. Maybe you will need to do it too. That could be useful for you to know how to do this. So you merge these two point clouds before you rasterize it, because that's what you will do next. Otherwise it will give you bad results. Make sure here you select your merged point cloud. You can turn it off now. Now, very important thing now is to go to properties and select a proper time zone. This is really important for the next steps. So you'll go to projected. You will find UTM, Universal Transverse Mercator, whatever that is. You go to WGS 84, in my case. In your case, it will be slightly different. My case was 33N, which worked for me. So you'll probably double click it, it will go here, and you select it there, and you press apply. Now you see our EPSG number changed. You can close this. Now we want to clip it, because this is a large area. So we will add another layer. We will create shapefile layer. We will give this a name. We will say it's a polygon, and now again, important thing, we will select our proper zone, UTM zone. This layer already exists. Oh, seems like I already did 8. Let's go to 9. Now, because I probably had selected something, it went here, so you just drag it on top. So have it nicely sorted. Now you right click it, you toggle editing. Here you select add polygon feature and you turn on our advanced digitizing tools. You will turn on snapping on 90 degrees and you see it all works. You select your first point and then you type in my case it was 5,500 meters. Oh, right, I did a mistake. You select this and you click on this to lock it all the way, and now we can make a nice square. You right click, you type in something there, not sure what that is for, so you double click on this and it will go, you go to symbology, make opacity something lower, and now you can comfortably move your polygon with the move finger. So you can select any area you want, For me it was interesting this area. Right, you can toggle editing, make sure this area that it's saved to this layer. Now what you want to do is type in clip, and it will be clip raster by mask layer. Select the proper masks, proper layer, and I had to do this even though it said optional. It just didn't work without it. Again, selected the right thingy, right coordinate system, and now what you get is your cropped area with exact 1500 meters to 1500 meters. Now, another important thing, we should probably save this. Yes, it will be guide 5, you see correctly. Now, what is important is to convert this. So raster, conversion, translate. And here, output data type got to be int16. Input layer, obviously clipped. Right. Now you press run. This is converted. You deselect the clipped. All you got is converted. Now you can go to properties, information, and it have to say int16, 16-bit signed integer. So you know this will gonna work with our game. Now you can right click this, export, save as, GeoTIFF, give it a name, guide. Yes, I don't think there's nothing to do here. You can, it doesn't matter, just export it. Right, now we have our guide TIFF. Right. You can browse local files to find the resource file. And this will gonna be in documents. So you just copy it, and you have to restart the editor to actually register. Come on, game. You could be a little bit faster. Okay, there we go. Now, what you also have to set here, the numbers for me was something like this. Now we see our guide TIFF. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, wrong. First you need to make a new one. Here, if you have a good PC, you can probably do this like I did. Enter. Right. Our terrain has been created. So now you can select import. And you see, it did a lot of things. So I set -300. That worked for me. Enter. And do it again. I could have done it in the first place, I guess. Yep. Now, pretty usable. the usable map. There you go.